I started when I was about 6 years old, and I walked into my dad's room and I saw him watching NBC News, and American Ninja Warrior was on. I got really interested in it, and I started climbing doors and trying to get Kit Kats on top of the doors. To get into Junior Ninja Warrior, we had to submit like 3 videos of ourselves talking or doing obstacles, and they have to be at like 3 minutes. And so they will randomly choose a handful of people for each age group, and I was chosen. It's a really great experience, just being on every obstacle, like even just trying it once for the first time. It's always going to be scary, but it's always going to turn out fun.